push right now. Shit, I'm out here with a GoPro today. Y'all already know what's going on, but it's your boy Not a Nation. But I gotta get out of PLV, but I ain't did no PLV in a little bit. I tried to do the little exotic car meet thing, but you know, y'all don't really get no views for real. I don't know why, but the YouTube algorithm, come on, like, who don't want to see Lamborghinis and shit? Who want to stick to Chargers out there, bro? Anyway, bro, I'm finna get out the little PLV, get y'all a little run through, but I ain't did a little run in a while, and I need a little bit of gas. I hope y'all can see that. I hope I ain't weaving through traffic. I don't know what the quality footage look like. Y'all gotta let me know. They say the phone better, but shit, I don't know. Y'all, I'm gonna let y'all be the judge of that. Ugh. Yeah, I ain't pushed my car in a little while, bro. I gotta put this in the track, and I'm gonna need gas right after. I ain't gonna do nothing too crazy, no. I gotta get out of the neighborhood first. I'm not finna baby the car. I'm gonna let it warm up before I get to pushing it too. That's where I wanna go. Do I wanna go right or left? If I go right, man, this is gonna be long. I'm just gonna go left. Center, bro. I feel like I'm off to the left a little bit. Let me see if I can turn it, but just a tad bit. Does it feel better? I hope that better. I don't know, but I can't tell. I hope my wheel don't go flying off again. Why I recommend everybody get their car straight pipe, bro. This shit sound crazy, but y'all hear it, bro. Boy, I thought that was 392 Quan, bro. I thought we were finna get active in the streets, man. That is not him. Hell nah, that's a V6. Oh. Oh, let me not hit that damn possum in the road. did no run with 2 hands, bro, because I always had to hold the camera. This shit feel weird, bro. This shit feel too weird. I ain't gonna push it too bad, because this road right here kind of ass. But this shit do look good in here, but hey, like I'm in a movie at this thing. Yes, sir. Man, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. For everybody that keep asking what the exhaust setup is, it's the Jba Catless Midpipe with the Mbrp race exhaust. So I am for like fully straight pipe. I ain't no mufflers, no resonator, or no case. No, none of that. If y'all don't know how to tap the gas, bro, you rev that bitch up to, I say about 5,000 RPMs, you already know, and then tap the gas. Don't even give it no gas, literally just tap it. And that shit gonna pop every time. I just did it, I've been doing it the whole video. Matter of fact, let me do it now. Let me do it now. Y'all hear that? No tune needed, you feel me? All I do is tap the gas. Once again, I'm finna do it again, watch this. Bumpy ass road. This wheel right here only got 4 lug nuts. Let me stop playing for this wheel come out. I gotta buy me some lug nuts ASAP for real. And it's not like I can't afford them hoes. I can afford them hoes, I just don't feel like doing it. Hey, let me make this little U-turn, but this you know, the famous U-turn. Ugh. I know she heard me coming down the damn road. She ain't worried about the young dude though. I'm finna go give me some Popeyes. Okay. I'm gonna push this jump real quick. There's some beautiful colors out here, bro. Real talk, bro. All that green and shit, bro. I'm fucking with it. And the blue sky, bro. No clouds, bro. Yeah, that shit fire. I gotta remind myself, like, when I get up over this road, bro, it's like a dip somewhere in the road, bro. And every time I drive on the road, I forget about it and end up fucking bottoming out, whatever. Bumpy ass road. Slow down. I don't want to push it too bad. Cause back there, my back fender, the back quarter is scrubbed into the rim every time I hit a bump, so I gotta slow down. That's what you get for getting a stance on this car, but I'm not finna go in no 315s no more. I got like a 25mm space on my car, so that 315 is like pushing it. It's only scrubbing on that side, but it's not scrubbing on the other side. Alright, now this why I gotta watch out for this bump at. I don't know exactly where it's at, but I know it's somewhere. There you go. Fuck, man, what the hell? That shit surprised me every time, bro. And then I think it's another one out here. At this shit didn't get me too bad. It just got the back. Imagine if this shit had a supercharger line, bro. This video go 1 million views, bro. Nah, I'm be real, bro. That shit had 100,000 views if I had the supercharger line, bro. But only cause I don't have the supercharger line by that shit. Not, as a matter of fact, I'm finna title this shit Hellcat. No, man, I ain't gonna do that, but y'all gonna hate that shit. Corvette. Hopping them up. I don't even know the lyrics, bro. I don't even know the lyrics. Corvette. Hopping them up. Jet like jet. I don't even know the lyrics, famo. I don't even know the way. How the hell, too. Come on, man. It's red light. I can take it on the right. Look at the kids. I ain't gonna push it right now. Got a little sideways. Come on now, why you driving so damn slow, famo? What is that? ZL1? ZL1? Nah, ain't no ZL1. He just got a fake ass front bumper, man. Let me stop, bro. Yeah, he fooled me. I can't lie. He got me. Then I saw that hood. I like, hell nah. Still nice though, bro. That shit still look hard. Now where the hell Popeyes at, man? Let me get some food, pal. Come on, get me to that light. Let me pass it. Let me make it. Let's go. Big dog status. Big dog status. Will I slang it? I wish it was wet. It went a little sideways. I got traction on right now, so that shit's not gonna go all the way sideways. But anyway, man, I'm finna go and give me some Popeyes, bro. I'm hungry here. I can't lie, but I ain't had none to eat all day. You better go. Boy, look at your hair, nigga. I ain't even finna make fun. I'm sorry. Anyway, this your boy Nardo Nation, but I'll get back with y'all in the next video. But y'all like, share, subscribe, comment, you know, do whatever you gotta do. I'm trying to get big, you feel me? I'm gonna get big, but I'm trying to make that shit happen soon, you feel me? So go ahead, like, share, subscribe, comment, do whatever you gotta do. And yeah, but I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little bit. I'm out of here.